Why do some people stay awake until late hours, knowing they will regret it the next day, yet find a strange peace in the silence of 2 a.m.? According to psychology, sleep procrastination often stems not from poor time management, but from emotional deprivation. Staying awake becomes an attempt to reclaim stolen time. Sleep signifies not only rest, but also signals the end of a day that may have felt empty and not truly yours. It's staring at a screen for hours even when you're exhausted because silence feels more nourishing than sleep. It's avoiding putting your head on the pillow because that's where the real thoughts begin. This habit often begins in homes where silence does not bring peace, where sleep is expected, but emotional security never arrives. Night becomes the only time when control exists. If you thought, this is exactly me, share your feelings with me.